Well, hello world! It's Kami Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I wanted to use this NYX copper glitter. I thought it was super pretty and I wanted to use it. So I haven't decided if I want to do a halo or a half cut crease, so I'm not too sure. But this backdrop is making me nervous because it's like a yellow mustard brownish type of color, and on the viewfinder it's coming out kind of like green. So I don't know, we're just gonna keep it moving, and yeah, so if you want to see the look that I create using this copper glitter, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to take my Morphe 39A palette and I'm going to take the shade Define Me on a Sigma E40, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Okay, so this was the first shade that I took, the Define Me, and now I'm going to take the shade Vivid. It's this shade right here, and I'm taking it on a Morphe M505, and I'm going to put this mainly on the outer portion of my eye and then dragging whatever I have left over into my inner part of my eye. Still like in my crease, it's in my crease area. Next, I'm going to grab Vibrant and Evolve. I'm going to grab these two shades right here, and I'm just going to do the same process on the same brush. So I'm going to take this purple shade right here, it's called Forever, and I'm going to take it on a Sigma E25, and I'm going to put this on the inner and outer portion of my lid to create that halo look. Okay, so I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a Trendy, and I'm just going to put that in the center of my lid, just so when I use the glitter, if there's any gaps or anything like that, you won't see my skin peeking through. You'll see the shade right here. Alright, so for glitter primer, I'm going to take this $1 e.l.f. glitter primer, and hopefully it works. Alright, I'm just going to take some on the back of this Alimad cosmetics brush, and it's just a flat brush. And I'm just going to place it where I want it. Then I'm going to take the NYX copper glitter, and I'm just going to pop this right in the center. Okay, so this is the eyes in a nutshell, so I'm going to go ahead and do my base off the camera, and I'll be back so we can finish it off. So, okay, so I'm back, and I got a little crazy with my highlight because I said when I got back I was going to finish my eyes, but I took this Wet n Wild's highlight in Precious Petals, and I did my brow bone highlight and an inner corner highlight, so yeah. But I'm going to take a liner, just any black liner that you have. I'm going to tight line and waterline. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, I like to set my liner in my waterline because usually my eyes are really watery and no liner seems to stay, but if I put powder on top of it, it lasts a lot longer. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with this purple shade. It's the shade in Forever, and I'm taking a Morphe E18. So I'm going to create a halo underneath my lashes. I'm not making any kind of sense because it's late at night, so just watch. Just watch and you'll see what I mean. Okay, so in this empty space right here, I'm going to go in very carefully with the e.l.f. Glitter Primer. Very carefully, I'm going to take the copper glitter from NYX and I'm going to apply this at the bottom. I'm really liking this look. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes and I'm just using L'Oreal. No, not L'Oreal. Sorry, I'm using Rimmel's Lash Accelerator for my bottom lashes. Okay, so now to wrap this up, I'm going to take Maybelline's Vivid Hot Lacquer in Tease. Alright, and now I'm going to lock this makeup in place using the NYX setting spray. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I got ahead of myself. I started taking pictures and then I got on Instagram Live and then I realized I didn't film an outro. So as always, this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And until next time, bye guys. It's hot. Okay, we need to get started. I'm sweating.